otanazio ke zo de bie ye elayemia okay die ka layemia let odike me so no kaka eba elembela. There is a road construction more be approved what budget more probably obeya happen once elembele which is Eziama they more call our brothers in Jura is shame zani Bamian core area hand zani stretching is fully funded by GMPC. So ye bizaya unke Jomoro ye de enzimani ye mukan law. That's the question we ask ourselves. And ye de yengla ye beneficiaries of this gas project mo bezi ye enzimana. And I can say that those are the questions mo ye koke ye bizaya mula. But eleka because of politics ti bi ba han loko oh say ye na imagala Beverly ye na employment you reduce Jomoro employment by what percentage? By what percentage? If Zabe say, "Eka, ye party more power la talo ye Marashele, I know Jema books talo ye." This is not what we need. That is not what we need. In the be mo ye here la male. E adre mo ejusame na branch aye ke la ko jungle. Mo izaki drivers be ejima be nyuska. Is a blue because I don't know pale. So ye biza ke since Beverly Ghana gas Beva ba ziel in the mic there. More even before Bakava Barala, there were a whole lot of problems between Jomoro and Elembele because Jomoro were claiming came since the days of Adam. During Nkrumah time, Moba started this oil recovery la. The main site Mobayelike, if oil businesses or oil related businesses or whatever will go on or because site la Imala Kabeso Azobonye enclaves. It didn't happen. The end hot time no problem. Sense make alawa. Now Akiya you are one vaso is this a bank about maybe why? What happened? What is happening? Because Kaka Enya Eziama from Eziama to Nkrofo to Teleku Bukazo stretch. They off in the I think Bamian call in say stretch or whatever. GMPC Elefandia. Ghana guys. Ma Elefandia. So you be say okay, dey Jomama, what is our share? What is our share? Nzo be here dey nya heavy because you just money they have asini. Enyo azwa. No suro na tonye wo nyevle na azwa. Emu oil drilling ships. Mo blood really oil beko, blood really gas beko. So which benefit are we getting? Yeleka me mo say politics, me mo say it is a joke. Me bozan yen nazo. So when I'm freeing my mind, na try all ka politics, I don't have your time. After all, it's my Facebook account. So I'm alive. I can say whatever I want to say. If you don't like it, report me to Mark Zuckerberg. More blocking me from the account. It's my personal account. I use my own data. If you can be a DM, you guys say I'm like get yourself out from my timeline. It's simple. But fact, because Jomoro we are dying. Yeah. Melele wu ya mamu mo especially blue rough because I only look but belenga kula de bejum ka modi ka benya de bi be fe bendu okay oda ko na lezize ya mo bo se a ne am ya ma ka kula ka over ho Dubai a okodi ko da ko treke de ho ni ku what the fuck, this is not what we need. Something is wrong in Jomoro. Yeah, can we say hey man people yo adopa as in pale me dem can imagine this I am. I can imagine free. I free my mind. So if you can be me freely my mind goes against you and I care whichever way I don't care. Let me put it in that way. But me the whole world be me. Especially is my mom but what diaspora be do I never have broach another aspect like talk. And man Zikala, former DC Jomoro. Ole lambaste your leaders. Ole lambaste your traditional leaders. He was bold enough to mention even Ulanoje is not performing, so he has to step down. Yes, of course. I think he's right. Because nothing seems to be going on in Jomoro. Nothing is going on. Like, it is not a place. I don't know. Now let me read your comment. Ejameza akose. I don't get what you're trying to say. Ejameza accusations. It is meaningless if you don't show us the way to go. I am not the one to show you the way to go. Are you lost? So that means yourself, you have admitted that you are lost. So you need someone to show you a way. I'm not here to show you a way. Sit down. Think. Take a deep breath and see who you are, where you've come from, and where you are right now. What is the way forward for you? And that will guide you to make your decision. I am not the one to make a decision for you. So I will tell you, sit down, realize, I'm a fucking village boy. But no, this is not how things are supposed to be going. Like, things are wrong. Because this is how I saw things. And things are still the same thing in Jomoro. The same thing in Jomoro. Nothing seems to be. Even our time, but my mini industry, be a Winkle. Kaka go and ask, where is Winkle? It has collapsed. No one will them care. Mediama, Kakulan, Odra Jomoro, Oham, Okada, and Akebia. Now, either Kubefle or your industrial worker, either on your boy. And when we tell you that honorable politician has failed, they say, hey, Mama Rebecca. Now, he has failed. Even Ghanaians are telling Akufo-Addo he's not performing the way he was supposed to perform. So how much more you ACN if you are not performing? We will tell you, and we are coming hard. It's quite unfortunate, so we don't get time to go to the radio stations. But this is the only medium. To let the whole world know we can Jomoro. If that's a way to go, then by me a country. Because you can't be enjoying. They don't push for us. They don't lobby for us. When they get the opportunity, better than they have to enrich themselves. Simple. You have to make Izuka at the expense of taking advantage of how do you call it, your fellow human beings. Jomoro Road, Samini. I don't know if you are Jacko says what I do my dear, I said but you are there talking anything that you don't know. We are talking about hardcore Jomoro boys. You are not among. So get yourself out. Live in Elembele, live your lavish. Elembele, Kebefle, Enyinasi, be boy asphalt. Elembele, they don't have any road network issues. I think the only road network issues lies in Enyinasi North, ni Zani Nemu Mokoko communities Mowana. Is it? Yaleka, and they say, Mami Eka. Policing has failed us. Let's see, policing, on ground drive your weekend, no. Ole njijire, Jomama la kuha. Kreke ba agran na pare. Na etoka ko Jomama ba nyesuka. You can't invest in the driving business. You can't invest. Nyesuka. E ba ye jima de kadiale there. Nothing improves. You are there. Driving more melukura fire as a profession like Jomama. You can't take it as a profession. Because you can't rely on it. Call Mafa or Takra, yeah. The Belgium, El Kabi Abejura, is Enase Abejura more taxi, no, because the car small. But what about Hosan Road now? It is hard. No, if GMPC, my elephant, is Yama, Teleku Bakazo to Bamianko, more Ehana Bendu Oya, Bendu Gas Wallo, Naya Jomama, Moya Dehan, more. Blow to dear where you're coming, okay, near one basala. And no, how do you think? How do you think? Let's get serious as a people. Put partisan politics aside. NDC, MPP, no. Things are getting wrong. And you see youth vibrant, and because no man say if you are Nejima, you only 1,000 Ghana cedis. So he will not speak the truth. But even if you are enjoying to that aspect of it, Boba, I had a try as it. No, but me years old, near years there. You're Melanie, Baba Inzubi, but I could be barely in Zimoa. Paul, listen, you have prayed, you filled yourself among with your cronies. And those cronies, they don't advise you, but more advice. But they don't advise you. They don't give you even simple advice. MP, we don't need anything from you. What we need is for you to send our grievances, fire problems. Jomorama. The problem about the last time our president Eleba is in Ebola. Oleba Yaka to sort for I think never or whatever. Bevel helicopter. Usually Bevel helicopter. Just about me and you saw and never go and I didn't call the problem on my bell or the problem on Jomorama. It is affecting them economically, it is affecting them in every aspect of life. It's Nana Dumelu as well as some case you are there. Bomadana Yamabe. So I tell you, English I ever helicopter. Oluwa tuzo uma akiyejina ezeza edu na aneda mo edu azara case over here we problem say you mu ekize malinye ya afocho pesa. Let's get serious. Your leaders more your pabe chele ona busia there will be a kanka you are working but you are working for the party. I know, but in as much as more you are working for the party like edoko boa lobby fire problems na fa through the ranks and files of the party. Police, whether not like parliament. You people should come together. The DC, you people should come together. But develop it. Maybe a 4-year or 5-year developmental plan. Bevema Jomoro. No, I still don't get it. GMPC is funding a road in Elemble and Jomoro is not benefiting from anything, even their project. Even annual project, we don't benefit. I can't have say, and this must say, tell you my time, tell you I sell the computers in my high school. And people, my look, I can't imagine but I'm a secondary school as scholarship. Now, they want to be all free SHS. Is this a better scholarship? Are we serious as people? Are you serious as people? We should be serious because yeah, but I bet you die. I am begging you people. From 16 years to 40 years more. Your whole school or your go school or your Lizobia. I bet in there. But not to our politics. Leave politics aside. We are dying. Jomola, Kaka, if you really want to invest in Inzima, it has to be a Lembele. Jomola, the Omakang, Imunua. Did squad rough. Mula Junior Corampora beach and they don't think about us. They don't think about us. We as young people, because it's only legacy be fire Benjina. Jomoro. Now and this year, election 2020, some of us, spending the last penny that we have to conscientize the people, to make the people realize who we are, where we've come from, and where we are getting into. Like, And you find Ebewizima pages on Facebook, social media, and other aspects. They don't talk about pertinent issues that goes on there. If you have a website, you have anything, go or fish out information. Let the word see, let the word hear. Bese motoni ile otoni. Hey, how do you say it? Bese motoni ya undrela ye onyamule ila. Coffee Bright. Hey, say you are watching. The chop is too much. Chop with all okay, but I like chop bobola. Maybe you don't call that on day. You understand? I don't tire. There's no way more lady alia buy a problem. On a problem. Chop over there. My brother Coffee. Chop over there the only problem. But most importantly, you die or the care trans as a people. You we care. Haneka ba obabu ye kwasia. Haneka ba obabu ye kwasia. Haneka ba. So they be no. And no one general man. And no one still mendiobo ka blow to oil blow to gas or jomaro. Near the yenya vasway. And our oil blocks some mobile gua. Nivrenas bema jomaro. They come there. You see them but really your resources beko. Akia the yenya vasway. Our Jomra will say, in your felony. Now, blow two gas more blessed in your villa. Because you couldn't fell dear. Let us come together, especially a day you to me. Let us come together, especially a day you to more your Jomara. We care. It is hard time we put away politics. Because political gaming is affecting our future. Political gaming. Yeah. Good morning. Oh, circle for. I can't make a call you right now. So, it's by me is serious. By me is serious. Yeah, Jomara, bro, Jomara is not part. Yes, Jomara is not part. Now Jomara is part of Ghana. Now Kurejo or industry work it be. Bobo, na day bobo, 40 cities or 50 cities, Benmark or 40 cities or 50 cities. Tell me you Ghana. No, I you live here because your father has a house here. This is where you are. This is where you were born. This is where you grew up. You don't need to travel to the city to go and seek greener pastures. But our leaders, they are not creating opportunities for us. Already money, yeah, papa ni na money nyinya mo bevo. Bad than the bed disqualify in the man and all the forest. Now be transi benya resources be benya be mal kukui be lo kukui throughout Jomoro kukui welcome bia then near die yenyi as a generation na. Nzoneti ye converts ahead there into the biomo obahla. Yeah, create employment, Bobo. You see, yeah, bless. So, let bizarre young bay mam, okay. GMPC, Bele Fande is Eziama to Telekubukazo to Bamianko Road. Now, Jomoro Samenye to Newtown Road. Exactly. So why is it like a problem here and why? This is where we come and then you seems to be lambasting. And man's here they keep relation form for real relation. You come and be accountable to us. Tell us we should give you another term now. Tell us because you're near alternative and be abonike. So say if you are able to convince us more, fine. You give you more time for you to see because alternative. I mean, you have to be trying people and they come and play games and they go. You try them, you come and play games, they enrich themselves, then they go. They build their political status, then they go. But this is the time of the as a people. We have come a long way. We have come a long way. This is the time things has to change. Yele melimo benyaya beras inzima benya bera jomoro but jomoro engrandra hand even telecommunication telecommunication bobo the biggest problem am la mo ye le gifek wagana ke mo gifek president appointed government in it ya appointed be management. It is under the communication authority. It is only your leaders. We can't go to such places and send them our problems. Then they will come and solve our problems for us. This is what we need. The taxpayers' money given to you is for you to run the errands and manage things. Not as in no. You can chill. Nobody happy. Will be a deal. But sir. It says yes so no ye le die anya ye onzebi oyefa no says yes so no le die anya ba nka enyi mu ale die mu ana wa hunu is a two is wa hunu two. Kofi Bright says my brother honorable politician promised to construct a Bolowa road and I challenge him on my show New Day FM and people of Jomoro didn't support me. My question is, has the roads be done? Now, Kofi Bright, now even main stretch one more N1 road or whatever road, highway, bobola, more or Samini, from Samini to Newtown. Only budget, you know, I call the electric bolo, more original. It is just a political gimmick. Yeah, Boba direct. It is a policy and here Oba ye adremo wo a bolo boss a bolo wows in Zozobi road. Then they forget it. It didn't materialize. It's a joke. You can say then it's a can't talk you more that problem. If you want to be a leader and you don't want to talk, then it all lies in how you build your credibility. So Shataras says, sure, I personally don't like coming to Jomoro because of the poor road network. Of course, now this is about the canon, okay, about your body go to like sometimes I prefer taxi be no lua in Nasa Drenaza, or speed a conquer a can buy a fresh or go do the Jomoma Adrena Akoboy. Okay, take up a more dollar and bokake. At Sataras, you will not come there because the road network is bad. And even me as a person or as an indigent living there, my family are there. I sometimes find it hard to go there. So how about you somewhere? Jomoro, Massa, I'm not crying for just whatever sake. I'm serious. And yes, as the debate we will talk because you can the whole world. You can get in the day present TNA. Never catch Benny Jomoro. Ujuzwan there, then we are okay. But until then, you're bad in there. You're bad in there, Papa. Bra Cobod, Bonya Italy, hit hard on them. Oh, bro, you're hitting hard on a Rubiala. Na hale ye kwake ka na abia win ke Jomoro ye nzobi we are massa ye maka bobo ye the Ghana bobo there nobody even thinks about us ye ke say akula kun anu amango me but kun de ye ko maka mfe bobo ba yi bevu akra ke Jomoro ke ye le you see so ye look pa be chele. Yeah, Pavachella. Yeah, Pavachella, Benzubi. Before Sina Benzubi. Beva problems. Comment is only, I can't read them all. So, before Sina Beva problems, Beva Hop. There are some people called or that Hanani or Avley Jomoro, Dumamo Voma. Zemmer more or do not tell to you, Dumanako Cabania. You don't say about doing you do man now because Africa Africa we had the land but never can for Jomoro. Like you quoting Ellen's mama and they say as you say decentralization let's kill Jomo. If you are decentralizing then decentralize the how do you call it your development. Let us also have our own fair share of the national cake. Don't leave us out. As if we don't matter. As if you don't have a party representative. And then to my surprise, even the regional powerhouse of the party in power lies in Jomoro. It is in Tikobo. And with this power, we are not seeing anything. It doesn't really happen like that. It has never happened. First in history. It has never happened. You won't find a party chairman from Jomoro at the same time, other aspect of it. Your MP and then it doesn't even happen. Like, so if this opportunity coming and we are not seeing anything, it feels like the whole thing is a curse and not really a blessing. Where did we go wrong? Jomoro, where did we go wrong? There's no employment opportunity in Jomoro. No, before you can, the only private employment opportunity you can get there is for you to go and teach. And they give you like 100 cedis every month or 200 cedis every month. Can I live on this at this modern Ghana to survive? No. So I will always have to travel to Accra, to Kumasi, or in the city to go and seek for greener pastures. Not all of us can travel. Some of us were born here, bred here, grew here. I mean, in Yamamo, they know us here. So we are not going anywhere. We are here. So what we are requesting for is a better life, opportunity that will turn things around. Ele Pavla Nenya Jimachi ye, wajo mo edisonu. E was on a renti sua. So what was you come in a crafa be a investi, a domwan, or a man, or family. But I can be nyabi, but benzobi, but talibedi, like be feeling good to for life, you know. Now tell me, oh my million or day will. Kaka magana kizema benyaji mabenye. Is a code ba. Eyo ajonjulete kwa won nzande ba. E ka la easy wo subobi wo dancing no mo channel and wo over one wala alex yeso jazz e wo hwan nza nika. It is bullshit. It is bullshit. So tell our leaders no. They are making things so hard for us. It's bejechi. Be create opportunities be my your road no pale. It is that 2020 budget in ban capture one. Is that minister or parliament la yanga ole. Police we don't hear, we've never seen you. I have been following parliament proceedings on Facebook each and every sitting. Honorable police and our MP Eduma Yenze Kebefle Yenze committee bobo ma serving on or parliament. The only thing I we know a deputy minister, a deputy minister who cannot even unite chiefs within Jomoro. Deputy chieftaincy minister who cannot. Deputy chieftaincy minister. What time? 4 years. There has been a battle with Jomoro between Aulaka Kwaka and then Aulanoje. What what chieftaincy opportunity monya? Nzo be all of what 10 things. Have you been able to make peace? Have you been able to make things good? Then what chieftaincy mo ha never now. Nzo mva so enya e visual. You can't say mama you can't. Then people will be sending you threatening messages. But I tell them, Madame I am not a coward. Mindia blochi, and I'm blochi. Melismani. But when I'm coming so as better Tim Cabo so as I know the street of Jomoro, I know every forest in Jomoro. So Zani threatening messages mama when you want to talk about police and people will be sending you they should be careful. Because about physical, I control the street. We are the street. I am a fucking village street boy. We are the street. So if you want to use the street to meet me, I don't have any problem because you're never going to find me. My name is Sips PPG. I'm the corporate invisible boss. Forget it. So no problem. But I surround everything to the greatest architect of the universe to deal with you if you ever get that kind of mindset. MP has failed. He has failed us. I can't be some American. And then this man but I'm looking for a day I will meet either Tona or I will meet Patrick Elono or any communication member of the NDC on radio, so that they will come and tell us the opportunity that during their time, 8 years in power or whatever years in power, so many years, Bobo, from Mills to Mahama administration, but it is so sad ke ye dying baffle ne mlaya moya wojomora ye han ro ayadunwa because ke ye kakura to bie ma o ye kakura to kebab ma o ye kakura to tilapia beto enye. So if you are able to develop yourself, if you are able to find opportunities, more case more about eco people wake up in their reflectors, people wake up in their overalls or whatever. Te blue yebako kala te blue yebako kala bi ko obuke gate at the end of the month he gets a good salary mo okro ne oma o feel good and he lives good. As the same thing wojomra da kon ye wundo yo. So the same thing wojomra problem be well cow I can't his man back. When you are talking about politicians, they tell you he has failed us, but to me honorable politician, you have failed us. It's simple. So if you think you can tell us more or do things to contradict with our perception or what we are saying, then cool. Fair enough. We take it from there. Yeah, like a base of Mamieka. John Moretti and Emily. And when you are talking about the MP, you see people sending you threatening messages. You threaten me, damn. I'm not afraid of you. I don't fear anybody. The only thing I fear is God, who determines tomorrow. Not you, human being that I see you every day. I am not afraid of you. I am not afraid of you. So if you do things that to me I think are awkward or are not good, I'll talk about it. John Moro is dying. John Moro is dying. One more say de no nya biele dia. Na come for black can and ele bo send text messages. But have you sat down to ask yourself, because this opportunity hasn't come, where were you? Have you sat down and have you realized the millions of people who are still at that same previous position you found yourself? Have you sat down to realize the number of people, the number of unemployed? I can tell you, youth in it, but 80%. They can drink aperitif 3 times a day. Take a bezel, frustrations, anxiety. You have these problems, you know. Take a bezel. Nobody is better than them. But you have frustrations. Mobile early more. Why you no to do a cuckoo? Okay, so how does that person survive? Things are not going on. We are saying it and people are there defending and then saying all sort of stuff. It is my Facebook account. I can say whatever I want to say. If you think you are not okay, meet me wherever you want to meet me. But me, I'll free my mind. Zona ta GMPC la project ba ye be finwe. Zona ta GMPC la project ba ye. Yeda jo mama ba ye be finwe. Zona ti, are we not part of Ghana? Are we not stakeholders of that gas or whatever factory that has been cited over there? Why? What is wrong? Why did we go wrong? Which kind of wrong leaders did we select? The DCE is there, no problem. The DCE is there. DCE is working. But the powers of the DCE normally only purposely for basic amenities, basic needs of the people. So you cannot see a DC telling you, and buy a road you can or whatever, and buy a basic factory can buy a camera. No. But when the investors come through the MP, they can come and see the DC fasting things, then things will be will be okay through the traditional leaders. This is more this is more okay. More for no the coyera. Ole molly toilet, molly nzobi, molly toilet problem, molly whatever problem, mo menile face la, or that or your mabe. Anumezikala munke share a whole lot of things for disabilities. Wajomoro. KNDC, DC or ye debile. Those are the basic things. So DCs are there. So yeah, they say you like can in Donala, you invite Don, you have DC. DC, the powers are too limited. And DC in the office or half a seen it. I had more than Ghana. The only person who can turn things around is through a member of parliament.